Guys, Patronn here. We made it to Orlando. Sales and Grind Con. We here. Our Uber's here. We're about to go rock this thing. And let's make it happen, man. Have a great day. Amazing day. Remember, opportunities come once, so you got to take those chances, okay? Don't wait for them to happen. You got to make it happen. You got to bust some doors yourself, and just basically take it to the next level, you know? 2019 could be a big year, so come out to this conference. Come out to all these conferences. Little investment you make huge difference, guys. You guys got to make it happen, so check the cribs like this we're staying in Orlando. This is how we roll, man. All right? So 50 GMs are staying here with us, and we just can't wait to have fun. So we want to record everything because you know what? Life is like a camera. You guys know that, right? Like life is a movie, so make it an interesting one, all right? Patronn out. Peace.